Ever heard of "for the plot"? This phrase encourages doing something for the sheer experience of it, embracing life as the main character of our own story. Every choice, whether swiping right on Tinder or deciding to have a spontaneous night out, is all about adding to your life story. Here's an example. I wasn't sure about skydiving, but I did it for the plot, and it turned out to be the adventure of a lifetime. Moving on, Rizz. Rizz refers to someone's charisma and charm, especially in romantic situations. It's all about confidence and the ability to woo others effortlessly. Jacob's Rizz is undeniable. He just has a way with words that makes everyone swoon. The term ick signifies a turnoff. It could be anything from a minor habit to a major behavior that just makes someone less attractive to you. It's all about personal preference. I was really into him until he started clipping his nails at the table. Total ick moment for me. When we say someone or something lives rent-free in your mind, it means you think a lot about them without them giving anything in return. This could be a celebrity crush or an unforgettable event. For example, that movie was so good, it's been living rent-free in my head for weeks now. If someone ate, it means they've done something flawlessly, often used in the context of fashion or beauty. Adding "left no crumbs" emphasizes their perfection in execution. Did you see her prom dress? She absolutely ate it with that dress and left no crumbs. Bussin, or bus, is used to describe something that's very good or delicious, especially food. So if dinner was bussin', it was exceptionally tasty. This homemade pizza is bussin', you really outdid yourself. Something mid fails to meet our expectations. It's just mediocre, whether it's a fashion choice or a TV show or a meal. I had high expectations for the movie, but it was kind of mid, honestly. To lock in is to focus intensely on something, from work assignments to gaming. I need to lock in and finish this essay by tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Let 'em cook means allowing someone to continue what they're doing without interference, often used in sports contexts to describe letting a player shine. During the game, he was scoring one basket after another, totally in his element. The coach decided to just let him cook on the court. He was unstoppable. Delulu, an abbreviation for delusional, captures a quirky confidence or belief in oneself, sometimes against the odds. Thinking I could run a marathon without training was completely Delulu of me. Lastly, sus is short for suspicious, describing something or someone that just doesn't seem right. His story about why he was late sounded pretty sus to me. I don't buy it. So there you have it, 12 Gen Z slang.